And flashlights.
Alright, here's what I need. I need one competent person.
Incompetent?
Oh, that's me.
Not the word he used, but okay.
Alright, I'm gonna run past the hive. The bee's gonna chase me. You need to jump on the hive, grab the hive, and run inside. Alright?
Wait, who is he talking to?
Whoever is coming out here with me.
I'll go out
I
there.
can do it myself.
This kid only in
I'll go out and do it because I'm the cameraman right now. Cameraman never dies.
Coming back?
Run.
They won't let me use it! Ah.
There you go.
Nope. Yep.
Is he dead?
Good job.
Yeah, because my hands were full. I couldn't use the fucking ladder.
Oh.
No one told me how to deal with that.
No, he didn't make it. We need to get his body at least, though.
Oh, wait a minute. Can you guys not hear me then?
Hey, can somebody run by the bees to pull them away so I can grab his body?
Alright. Okay.
Do it again. Ow.
Got it.
Oh,
Okay.
my husband. Oh, whoa, my husband.
Value 5.
Yeah, I have a value.
Do you want me to run? We have him? Yeah. Do you want me to run
We
by
have
it?
his body.
Okay.
Nah, it's fine. We can just go.
Yeah, we're gonna cut our losses.
What do you mean? We made money.
No!
Remember,
That's poor
Aristotle
Fang.
warned you
You
harder
well.
than Esther did.
Alas, poor Fang. We knew him well.
Dances.
Everybody press 1 to mourn.
Is he gonna come back? Oh, there he is. I was gonna say, is he gonna come back anytime soon?
It worked.
We have resurrected.